You see Bone right here? That's part of the Shibaswap ecosystem, 79 cents. In my opinion, this is at a discount price. You see the Doge coin or the Doge killer, Leash, at a very low price, $785. Makes you want to think, makes you want to go, it's low. Is it time to get more? Is it time to sell? Or is it just time to hodl? Let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'll tell you right now, in my opinion, selling, I would not sell right now because it is at low prices. I'm not necessarily giving advice. I wouldn't sell. What I would look into is at price points you want to add more to your position. Because when I look at this right here, Leash, let's start out with Leash first. It is the second token in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Leash only has 107,647 minted tokens. The value is down and the volume's down. But what do you think is going to happen once things starts to really cook in that kitchen? And if I go look at here and I see this, the SHI, the global exchange of the value, and I see here Ryoshi's vision, Leash governs SHI specifically. So Leash is one of the favorite tokens of this whole entire ecosystem. And it's the low supply. So once volume starts to move, price gonna move. Low supply, lower supply. The demand will be there later on. I understand it's at all-time low. I'll admit, I got Leash when it was around $1,500, $2,000. But I also got Leash when it was under $1,000. It's just one Leash because I see the value in this and dollar cost average as well. I'm understanding this may take 6 months. It may take a little bit longer than expected, but once this SHI gets involved and the volume and the ecosystem and NFTs and all that stuff that's going on in Shibaswap, Leash gonna be just fine. And if I go into the Bone's at 79 cents, 80 cents, which is to me at a discount price because I remember Bone being $15, $20, even higher than that. And so when I look here, I'm like, okay, I'm bearing Bone and earning Bone every single day. And I know you are as well. At least I believe you are. But 203 Bones, I can wolf out and bury. So I'm just thinking about that. But I'm also got pairings over here. And I also got a unwolfable Bone that needs to be unwolfed. Now you see the price at 80 cents, but I'm not seeing that in the future. I'm seeing much more. And that's why I'm hodling and collecting Bone as much as possible, because if I look at this chart, this was part of the liquidity event. We're basically about here. You're still getting a decent amount of Bone, not as high as it was when the liquidity event was happening, but you're still getting some. Now to me, once it gets around January and February, it gets very, very low. So in my opinion, loading up and being ready for 2022 will be an unbelievable time for Bone, in my opinion. 2022, 2023. I'm making moves. I'm making money moves for the future. And when it comes to Bone, Shib, and Leash, because I see the value in the future. So in my opinion, should you buy? I'm going to say this is at very low prices. That's all I'm going to say. Should you hodl? I plan to hodl is because I see things developing in the future with the Shibarian, with the SHI, and the NFTs. You go back over here, if I zoom out, and they just added this in here. Look at this. Buy, sell, and trade, basically NFTs. So what do you think? Leash, Bone, Shib may be involved in that somehow? Perhaps. And that's what I'm waiting for as well. So I'm looking at buying opportunities and loading up for the winter, because 2022 has the opportunity to be massive when it comes to the Shibaswap ecosystem. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. That's just my opinion based off just some of the research. There's other pieces in here in terms of making this thing move even faster. I'm just showing you just a piece of what I'm seeing and what I believe would happen. I'm just hodling, and I'm looking forward to 2022. I'm already basically got things all set up and ready to go. I'll see you on the next video, and I'll continue doing videos on Bone and Leash and Shib because I see value in it. It's just gonna happen later on. I'll see you in the next video. Click on the link below, get started, sign up for eToro or Coinbase to get some Shib, and I'll see you later.